Service. Our national leader. Thank you. Our national leader and my dear brother, the singing senator, Sacrosanct, the chairman of our party, and the leader of the Bankwase group. Bankwase! Let me stand on all due and other protocols. Mine is a simple one because everybody has spoken. And I'm sure you've listened from our chairman to our leader, Rabbi Bankwase. I wish to start by most sincerely thanking the NDC family led by our leader, Sacrosanct, for the invitation and the warm welcome we received. I want to use the same opportunity to even thank the ADC where we are coming from for accommodating us politically when due to unresolved litigation we left our parties, Labour Party and ANPP, and I assured them that we wish them all the best, especially thanking the chairman of the party, who was very exceptional, David Ma. As we are here now in NDC, we are part of this family. And this is a great family that will turn around Nigeria. Today in Nigeria, we are seeing beneficiaries of our democracy, beneficiaries of our judiciary, beneficiaries of good governance turn themselves into an agent of destroying democracy, into an agent of injustice, into an agent to ensure that what they benefited from will no longer apply to Nigerians, especially to the opposition party. And I thank the leaders of NDC, especially the leader, for insisting we can't have one party in Nigeria. Nigeria must have democracy. And we insist that those who think we will not have free and fair election in 2027, let them rethink now. Because in 2027 we are going to have free, fair, and credible election. Today in Nigeria, over 140 million Nigerians live in multi-dimensional poverty. Over 80 million Nigerian youths are unemployed. Nigerians are not being killed on daily basis. Since the beginning of this month, we've lost over 100 Nigerians. Mothers are no longer sure their children that left for school will come back. They're not sure that their children that went to work will come back. Every Nigerian today is worried. No Nigerian knows where the next meal will come from. Because Nigeria is now among the hungriest countries of the world, among the most insecure countries of the world. We have the least life expectancy in the world. I can go on and on. Everything that is negative in Nigeria. Nigeria is not a poor country. Nigeria is rooted into poverty. And we will change it. We are coming to reverse invention and make Nigeria a prosperous country. We want to move Nigeria from poverty, from consumption to production. And that we must do. And we must start doing it by, number one, going with what Rabbi Kwankwaso said. We need unity in Nigeria. We want to unite Nigeria. We want Nigeria to love each other. That is why people think we are changing party. Where we are now, let me assure you, we are not changing party because we want it for transaction. We were changing it, like Churchill says, some men change party based on their principle, and some men change party because of the opposite of it. So they change their principle to stay in a party. We change because we want to have a place, to have opportunity to build a new Nigeria that is possible. And we assure you, look at our sign. That is the sign our forefathers. That is the sign our forefathers used for independence. That is the sign our forefathers used to fight for independence. This is the sign we will use to liberate Nigeria. This is the sign we will use to liberate Nigeria. A new Nigeria is. A new Nigeria is. That's where we want to go. To build a new Nigeria. We have those from Kanu, Katsina, Kebbi, Sokoto will feel safe. We have people in Zamfara will feel safe. We have those from Borno will feel safe. Yobe, everywhere will feel safe. We have those from Port Harcourt, from Bayelsa, from Naija will feel safe. Where Nigerians will know where the next people will come from. Where Nigerians, when they are sick, will know where we can travel from Onitsha to Lagos without fearing. Today, if you enter motor in Nigeria, people will be falling until you get to a destination. And if for any mistake, your call was not answered, everybody will start fretting. We don't want that to continue. We want to build a new Nigeria. A Nigeria where Nigerians will be safe, where there will be justice, where there will be food, where our children will go to school and come back, where mothers will no longer cry. That is what we want to do. A Nigeria where there will be no IDP camp. Everybody will be home. Those mothers in Benue who are living in IDP camp must go home. Those mothers in Jos must go home. And we secure everywhere. Where there will be productivity in Kanu, there will be productivity in Kaduna. That's what we want to do. We thank you for being part of today. It's a great day. Let us go home and start the work. The work starts today. The work in ensuring that we chase out all these people who are making our country. Others who agreed that you can forge certificates. Others who agreed that doing the wrong thing is right. They are the people who want to chase out. Thank you. May God Almighty that brought you here take you home safely and continue to bless all of you and your families. And continue to bless Nigeria. A new Nigeria is. A new Nigeria is. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, man. Okay. We have to close it from there. So somebody should make a vote on that.